Hi everyone, hope you're all doing fine. Now, as you all may know, we're starting to have our lessons by videos, so I hope you can find them helpful for you. And I hope you can go through the videos more than once so you can memorize things, so you can understand more. So, we're gonna start now. If you please take your sidekick book and open it on page 82. Our lesson today is about irregular past tense verbs. Now let's just make a quick reminder of what is a verb. A verb is something you do, is an action, a movement, like play, jump, study, talk, write. All of these are verbs. Now, the verbs has three forms. The present form, which means now, happening right now, the past form, which means already happened, and the future form that didn't happen yet, but it's gonna. Our lesson is about the past tense, okay? And the irregular. The past tense has a regular form and irregular form. The regular form are the verbs that take ed at the ending, which means they follow one rule is to add ed to the verb and it's in the past. Like the word talk, talked, walk, walked, already walked. These are the verbs in the past. In the regular form. Now, the words that are in the irregular form, they don't take ed, they don't follow a certain rule. We just have three forms to them. Some words they change a letter or a few letters in them, like the word get, and in the past it's got. Some verbs we change the whole word, like the word go, went, go, already, went. And some words they stay the same, like the word put, put. Also in the past it's put, so it stays the same. Now, please, I want you to open up your books on page 82. We're gonna read what's in the page. Now, some past tense verbs end in ed, such as needed, needed and liked. Other past tense verbs are irregular. This means they don't end in ed. Sometimes the past tense form changes one letter, such as get, got, as we already said. And sometimes the past tense is a whole new word, such as go, went. And sometimes it stays the same as the present tense, such as put, put. As I said, it stays the same. Now, as you can see in the picture, the verbs below have an irregular past tense. It's begin. Begin means to start. Began. Already began. Now you can read in the pink box down below some of the examples. Now I'm just gonna read for you the words, how they are in the past, how they are, in the present, and how we changed them in the past. And you can please circle them so you know. We have in the first two sentences, forgive means to accept someone saying sorry to you. If someone did a bad thing to you and he said sorry, you forgive him. Forgave. Now, buy, bought, as when you go to the supermarket and you get stuff from there, that means you buy things you bought. Set stays set. Now, this is our lesson. Actually, it's so easy. It's just about changing the present form into the past form. Now, the irregular past tense verb, as I said, they don't have a specific rule, so you have to memorize them as they are. Now, please, I want you to do We have several pages. I'm gonna go with it. I'm gonna go through them with you till the end, till the revision page. Now they are pages 95, 118, 119, and 143. They all have the same rule. You just need to memorize the verbs in the past tense, and you can do the exercises alone. If you need any help, you could ask your parents, or please watch this video again. It will help a lot. Okay, now I'm just gonna go through with you and make page 83 for you, and the rest are the same actually. Now, page 83, exercise A, letter A. Read each sentence below, underline the verb. Okay, underline the verb. Guys, please, in the exams, you have to pay attention to the question if it says underline or circle, because sometimes you could have two requests in the same question that underline and circle in the same sentence. So you have to be careful. If you did the opposites of them, that means your answer is all wrong. Now, I'm gonna continue. Underline the verb, write the sentence using the past tense form. Number 1. John and Mary hide behind the tree. Hide behind the tree. Of course, the verb is hide, and the past of it is hid. Hid. Number 2. Of course, you underline it and you write the whole sentence. Number 2. The hungry bears become angry. Become angry. The verb is become. It will be became. Became. Number 3. The birds fly high in the sky. Fly. Okay? Of course, the verb is fly. Flew. In the past, it's flew. Number 4. They eat eggs every morning. They eat eggs every morning. Of course, the verb is eat, and the past, the irregular past of it is ate. Ate. Now, exercise B. Read the sentences below, circle the correct word to complete them, and write the word on the line. Now, of course, you have two choices. You have to choose the correct one that is in the past form. We met our friends early yesterday morning. Yesterday morning. You can, when you understand the meaning of the sentence, you can choose more correctly. So, of course, it's in the past, and all of these sentences are in the past, but you could have clues that tells you that. Of course, you have to choose met. We met our friends. It means we saw them, we met them, we got together with them. Number 2, Ryan and Amish understand what the teacher told them last week. Of course, the answer is understood. Number 3, Mother told us not to leave the house last week. Not to leave the house last week. The answer is told. Told. Okay, now this is for page 83. Now, just gonna go to page 85. Okay, you also have two exercises in it. It's almost the same, they're all the same. You have to find the verb, circle it, and write it in the past tense. Of course, the irregular. And we're gonna have page 118, 119, and 143. All of them are irregular past tense related, so please do them. Memorize them, because this is the only way that you could solve or turn an irregular past tense verb into the past, of course. Because, as I said, irregular past tense verbs has no rule. You don't add ed, you just have to memorize the word as it is. If you have any questions, please, I think you could ask Miss Nadia to ask me. And gonna hope you're gonna study, please. I know it's hard for you right now, but I hope you do. I'll be sending you more videos, so we could all help you, of course. And please do them. If you needed anything, ask your parents or ask me. And study well and stay safe, guys. Hope I see you soon. Bye.